Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today we're going to look at problems and pairing issues with the I10 TWS. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so today we're going to be taking a look at the I10 TWS and charging and syncing issues. So this particularly is for the I10 TWS, which when they are actually paired show up on your device as AirPods. If they show up on your device as I10 or I10 TWS, this is not for you. This is for the genuine I10 TWS that show up as AirPods. So that is the primary thing. If you're show up as something different, then this probably will not work for you. Welcome to try it, but I don't think it will work for you. And also this particular set is the revision 1, which has the inverted sound, so left is right, right is left, etc. The newer version, which also appears as AirPods, has the corrected audio. So left channel is left channel, right channel is right channel. Now one of the fixes we're going to be doing is for that particular model, another fix is for the previous model. So the first thing to do is to go to your device that it's connected to, or was connected to, and go into your Bluetooth settings and look for previously connected devices. So if it says I10 TWS, get rid of that. If it says AirPods, also get rid of that. So we're going to forget that device. So now what we want to do is take the AirPods out, and you should hear when you first take them out, both of them will say power on. You may be just one, but hopefully both should say power on. Now what you need to do is to leave them actually like this, or you can take them out, put them on a desk or whatever. But after about 4 to 5 minutes, you will get a message saying pairing mode. So this is a default action. So if the device doesn't get connected, it actually resets itself and goes back into pairing mode as it would when they were brand new. Now, if you're also having problems with power on or power off, what you can do is leave the AirPods on or in your ears for another 5 minutes after this, at which point they'll go into power saving mode and they will both automatically power off and also reset themselves. So then you can take them out of your ears or off the desk, put them back into the charging case, put them in there for about 3 or 4 seconds just to make sure that they're both charging. You should get all 4 LEDs come on the front, and then what you can do is take them both out, go back into your pairing mode, so pair new device, and they should then show up properly as AirPods. You can click on them and it will try to pair. And then you should get the connected message come through in either your left or right earbud, depending on which particular one or which revision you've got. This is revision 1, so I get the message in my right ear because that is the master one. If you've got the revision 2, then it'll come through in the left ear because that is the master one. So that is the first potential fix you can do. Also, another thing to do is to make sure they're both properly charging. So what I generally tend to do is when I take them out, give them a wipe, the charging bit, just wipe it on some cloth or something dry and clean before you put them back into the charging base. So just a gentle wipe, because they do get grease from your fingers, etc., from your ears. So that will sometimes cause charging issues. Okay, so the next fix comes from Jaylan, who's one of our viewers, who's kindly posted it onto the video comments. Now his suggestion, now this appears to be for the revision 2, because mine won't actually do this, so you can try this for yourselves and see how you get on. So again, similar selection, so go into previously connected devices, choose your AirPods and choose forget. And if you've got any other devices which are nearby, which you've paired them with previously, also go into those and make sure you've forgotten the connection. Now, for this method, first of all, both devices in the charging box. Now take out the left one first, it's very important, and it should say power on. Now tap the earbud or AirPod 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then shortly after that, you should get the power off method, or message rather. So once it's done that, take the device out of your ear and put it down. Don't put it back into the charging box. Now you want to do exactly the same thing with the other unit. So take it out and you should get the power on message and possibly pairing mode, depending on which version you've got again, and just tap the button again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then briefly after you should get the power off message. Now you can take that one out, put both of them back into the charging box, make sure that both lights come on to say that it's charging, leave it in for a few seconds, and then when you take both of them back out again, both should say power on at the same time, and then you're ready to reconnect them again and they should start working normally. So there we go, there are some possible fixes for connectivity or charging issues with your I10 TWS Airpods. If you've got any comments or questions, stick them in the comments section below. And also, if you'd like to actually win these actual AirPods, and I will send these out to a lucky viewer, all you need to do, you don't need to subscribe, just put a comment in the comment section below saying how much you want them or what you like about them. And after this video gets 500 likes, I will be choosing a winner at random and I'll be sending these out to you. So if you want to get involved, click on the comment section, put something in there, and hopefully you'll be a winner. Again, if you've got any other suggestions or solutions for the I10 TWS charging or pairing issues, again, put them in there. It's good to share all that information. So I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.